And we are live. Welcome, everyone. This is Emma Reyes, your faith driven mentor and proud CEO of my digital business. So, welcome to you all. I'm also very passionate about helping hardworking parents to start, especially hardworking moms, to start and grow a successful digital business using our proven system, gaining time freedom and working into our financial stability to focus on what matter most, and that is our family and faith without traditional working hours or product selling. It's all about attraction marketing and social media. So, welcome to you all. I'm also the owner of this page, Journey to Success with Emmer and Family, and the website www.family.com. And tonight, we are both look tired, both busy moms here, and we still show up in our business because tonight we're diving into another inspiring story. So I'm so excited because I have an amazing special guest tonight, all through from California, but she's originally from the Philippines, and she's also working full time as a property manager and a proud mom of two who's also building her digital business on the side. So, yes, calling out all those hardworking, busy moms, this might be for you. So, be inspired. We'll be talking about how the busy mom of two found her side hustle, that fits her life, finding a life balance. And so stay with us. It's going to be an inspiring and relatable conversation, so you wouldn't want to miss it. And as you all watching, don't be shy to drop your comments below, because we're gonna try to answer it live. And don't forget to hit that share button so many people will be inspired to her story. So, sis Bettina, welcome. Thank you so much for saying yes.
Yes, Sis
To
Ember, of course,
this.
anything for our group. Magandang gabi po, everyone. Welcome
Yes.
to Sis Emmer's page here.
Yeah, thank you so much. Although I know na you just came back from work. It's only 8:30 in your end, and I'm sure coming back from full-time job, coming to a two young ones and wanted to have time with mommy, but you still managed to give time for your business. So after you
Yes.
give them their dinner and everything. So, Sis Bettina, without further ado, can you please share a little bit, a more brief introductions about yourself and what you do before this digital business?
Yes, thank you, sis. And so like as you said, no, I'm from the Philippines and I currently reside here in California, USA. I've been here for I guess 12, 14 years. I can't count anymore. But so dito na nagkaroon ng family, and so I have two kids now, and I'm a full-time property manager, and I do this sideline. So I do this side business after my 9 to 5, mostly for supplemental income and also for building for a bigger goal for my family. So yeah, before this business, what did my life look like? Still busy. Ibang phase ng kabisihan. I mean, there are different phases in how we are busy as parents, no? Especially when they were smaller, iba yung hinahabol pa or whatnot. I have to chase them literally, around the house and stuff. But yeah, I was very busy back then, being a full-time working parent still. But what I realized is what I was doing before is just the same hustle without real purpose. So when I dived into this online business, what I am doing now, even if it's the same everyday grind, now it has purpose because after my everyday grind, that's the time when I work on my dreams through this side hustle, so online.
Wow. Thank you for sharing that, sis Vitina. Nakaka-inspire talaga to know where we all started, di ba? Ka, um, you came into California just to hope for a better life, and now You're
Mm.
also not only working full time, but also running your own digital business. So, yes, that's inspiring. And at the same time, gaining that life balance. So, sis, I want to ask sis, what, how did you come across this digital business and what was your biggest why in starting this digital journey?
So yeah, back then I wasn't looking for anything really, but I was realizing then, because I had left my kids. So I think, yeah, that time, two kids na, no. At that time, I would, whenever I would give birth, which was twice, no, I would always leave them for work. Like after 2 months or 5 months dun sa isa, but still they're very young, very babies pa, no. So I would always have to leave them because I have to work. Living in the US, or I guess wherever na, no, it requires for both partners to be outside the house to work, because one income cannot sustain a family, for like for most of us, diba? So I'm realizing then that I'm missing a lot from my kids' milestones because I'm not with them for most part of the day. And as a new mom, that's very heartbreaking because you have to choose one way or the other. You have to choose to either be away from them so you can provide for them financially, or you can stay home with them, but then what will you do for money, right? So I think that's most of the dilemma of most parents are, is having to choose between the two. Well, in fact, there should be a clearer choice, or there should be a more, what society is telling us is what we are really doing, but then again there should be another way, right? And that's when I found this business, when I wasn't really looking because I saw an ad on Facebook. Just like how we all started, like there was a parent. Actually, she was a nurse, now retired at 33 years old. So she found this business, and she started it as a supplemental income. But then again, it's our choice, no? It's our choice, if you want to do it as a side business, or if you want to do it as a supplemental income. As for me, I do it on the side for supplemental income because I want to be able to provide more for them without missing more on their milestones. So yeah, that's the time when I started, and I've been, and here I'm here showing up for my own business, because that's what we do as side hustlers after our 9 to 5. We build for our dreams, because in your regular job you just trade your time for money. But the real purpose and the real dreams begin when you really start working for it after your day shift or after your 9 to 5.
Wow, that is so true. You know, it really starts with that one decision and then trusting the process. Because
Mhm.
most of us, as a mom, especially, we're trying to work hard and trying to make an income, but then sacrificing time with the kids, or when you choose spending time with the kids, but then you have to give up your work. Well, in this business, we can have both, and that's it.
Yes, that's true. We can have both, because in
Yeah,
this business, you only have to show up in the pockets of your time throughout the day or after your work. Because yeah,
definitely.
you just have to show up. It's up to you really. You reap the rewards of your hard work. If you show up for your business consistently, like for example, an hour a day, that in itself leads to progress. So
Tama.
it's really up to us. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, as long as you focus on your why. So
True.
yeah, so this is my question, Sis Bettina, because you're working full time proper as a property manager. You're in California, and I'm sure there's a lot of job opportunities or other income opportunities around there. But why did you choose this online business over other opportunities?
Yeah, as what I said, I wasn't really looking, although I would see all of these different opportunities, or for example, ads now when we're scrolling on Facebook,
Yes.
because this is automated. It means that your business can keep running while you're doing your other things, or while it's running in the background, because you have to set it up. and then you can just leave it, and then you can revisit it, or you can schedule your posts, or you can respond to your inquiries from time to time. But really, there is no hard deadline on it. It
Yeah.
really depends on how much or how often you show up for it. This is not an employment, it's not a job. So you have to treat this really as a business. But more importantly, since it's automated and since it's online, it's more reachable, it's more available at the palm of your hand. You just need a laptop, smartphones to check it from time to time. For example, answering emails or whatnot, or checking on your stats, your advertising campaigns and such. It's really automated. And all of these things I didn't know before, until I joined in on the business, because they make the training really easy for us, and they do provide these constant and weekly trainings from our leaders. They always give us the updated techniques and strategies on how we can better operate our business.
Tama. I can relate to that, sis Bettina, because that thinking before that I cannot do this business because I thought digital, it's computer, it's I need to be good
Very
in
tricky,
or fully skilled in technology, but I realize that it's not. So that's why we always say that it's doable for everyone. It's not always easy from the beginning, but the thing is, we are provided with that proven system and the video-based training that easy to
Mhm.
follow. So yes. So
And especially with the community support, sis, we
yes,
help each other with our learnings. If we discovered something that's very helpful for the business, we also have our community support, like what we have, our little group, no, sis. I'm very grateful for that,
exactly.
because we share, and we just kulitan lang. We
Yes,
just
imagine
share.
I'm here in Canada, you're in California, and we're like just having conversation like as
Yeah.
if we're just neighbor. But that's a good thing about is our business community in here is that
Mhm.
we help each other. And tama, we help each other, we live each other, we are encouraging each other na walang competition. Yun.
Yeah,
Not,
and we're just there. We're just, I mean, we're available online. It's actually more easier, like it's actually easier nowadays to reach people from other parts of the world, right? Because it's just a tap away, right?
yeah,
So, yeah, that's what's good about this, because we all have the same passion and drive, as
it's
I would
true.
always say. That's why, and you always have, we always get to meet somebody who is very relatable to your situation, and that's what
Yes.
makes it I think that's what makes it very how do you say kakaiba, or like it's genuine.
Unique,
It's also, yeah,
genuine.
it's a gift. It's actually
Um,
a gift to find somebody, yeah,
yeah.
who can relate with you.
And I think that is what makes it when we say it's doable. And that's what helps to help everyone to do this business. It's having that supportive community.
Yeah,
Diba?
because with your own business, for example, if you do a brick and mortar business, if you do like, yung like the drop shipping, or like highly focused on
You're
inventory,
doing it
when you
on
sell
your own.
actual goods, you can't find somebody who will help you, because it's your own job, right?
Yes.
I mean, it's not own job, it's your own business. But this
Yes.
one, even if it's your own business, people are still supporting each other, because you have the same tools, and you have you also gain knowledge from other experts. And then it's I think it's just really the community and how it all
It's
started,
built.
the
Yeah.
core
And how to
value
build
of the
and
founders,
yes,
right?
and how the community's mission is. And because it's built by the goal of helping
Mm-hmm.
other people
Yeah,
to be successful as well
so all
because
people are the same,
yeah,
yeah.
because a lot of business partner, there's a lot of digital or a lot of business owner, but they have to pay a lot of people or a lot when they needed help and when they needed in certain things they have to pay. But here we get them
Mm-hmm.
all by giving, by
Yes.
freely giving by business partner.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I love about it. So thank you
Yes.
so much for that answer. And before I ask you the next question, sis, is we wanna say hello to our amazing business partner,
Mhm.
Sis Patty. And yes, thank you so much, Sis Patty, watching from Wisconsin. Sis one of I look. after to also sis, and a very inspiring business partner from Wisconsin. Hello, sis. Thank you for tuning in with us tonight. So yes, so thank you for that sharing your answer to my question. Now, can you please share with us how this business has changed and blessed you and your family's life?
So, while of course there's always the financial side of things, right? But what
Yes.
I want to focus on more is really the personal growth and what it teaches us on how we can be better versions of ourselves and how can we be more purposeful for showing up to our wives or to our families or kids. So, what changed in me really is to be more purposeful and to be more, goal oriented. And I also realized that I really have this fire in me to be that much passionate about something that would eventually help my family tremendously, because I've seen it. I've seen it in the community. I've seen it in our success stories, and we've seen it from people who we got to meet in this business since like from the beginning, and how they've achieved what they've already had, like because of our systems and our community support. So what changed in me really is more on our mindset and personal growth. And also my family's able to see it. They see it in me. So I guess even with the challenges from before that I've experienced, they now see that it really is doing something very great and positive in me. That it just I just really show it. It just reverberates, so to say. So
Amazing.
that you can't replace that. You can't replace that because money is just like the financial side of it, the rewards of it. Yung profit is just really a tool for you to gain that sort of that dream or that freedom, so to say, right? But really, what you can do more with your spare time, that's irreplaceable. So that's what
Totoo.
I'm really working on. Yeah.
Wow, I'm happy for you for those for experience, and then just because of this digital business that we have, and I can relate to that because before prior this business, I'm a hardworking sales rep, which is, when you're doing a traditional sales, you're chasing people. It's constantly chasing people. And I was that. I'm very passionate. I thought like I'm very good in it. I love it, but I forgot myself. I'm just going after the money, after the income, after the commission. And when I joined this digital business, I discovered so much. Not only, knowing that I'm working towards our financial independence, is discovering something that I didn't realize I'm
That
capable
you
of
had in you, yeah.
doing. The
That's
it's like those skills that I thought that, like, I came here in Canada as a nanny. I thought I will retire as a nanny. I became good as a salesperson. I thought I'm just gonna be like, making sales, but knowing here is the opposite of what I'm doing. I don't have to do sales. I don't have to bag those people. I don't have to do those inventory and carrying
mhm.
heavy products. And at the same time, I gain so much self growth. I think
Yeah.
that that is something that I'm really grateful. Not only, yes, you're right. When we start this business, we're looking for like an extra 200, 500, 1,000 a week or a month. But we discover more than that.
Mhm.
Like
And it's
personally,
irreplaceable. Yeah.
myself, yes.
It's
And it's
abstract. You
true.
cannot quantify it with money.
Yeah, it's really irreplaceable, and at the same time, that peace, you know,
Yes.
that
Uh-huh.
peace inside, and that that I can't choose the word, but knowing that you're living in with purpose, you're
Yes.
making an
I guess you're
impact.
already feeling like feeling that fulfillment
Yes,
towards, yeah, because you've discovered more about yourself. Na
Totoo.
kaya niya, kaya pala. Mhm.
Yes, thank you so much for sharing that, sis. Now, I have something to ask you. I know the kids are waiting. You need to get them in the bath, and they have
Mm,
school tomorrow. Any
thank you.
message to our viewers who may be contemplating starting this business but feel skeptical? What can you say?
Mhm.
Those calling out all those hardworking moms who are tired, feeling stuck. This is for you. Listen up.
Yeah, I think we could share, no, Sis Emmer. Before we did this go live, Sis Emmer and I were at the backstage, and both of
Yeah.
us were like, "Sis, I'm so tired from today. I'm so tired."
Yes.
So both of us actually, like, we already clicked, like, even before this actual go live interview, because that's the reality. We're working parents. We show up for our kids, for our work, and there's so much demand for us, like from us, that but we have to show up. We have to show up. But the thing is, we find somebody who is relatable. So if you're seeing this video, and if you happen to land on Sis Emmer's page, this is not an accident. I believe that you are supposed to watch and listen, because this is reality right now. The reality is we are tired parents, but the reality also is there is also another way for your family to get that supplemental income aside from your full-time job. And also, with such being something that doesn't sacrifice more of your family's time. So the lesson that I've learned so far is, if you're seeing this, it's worth checking out. Connect with Sis Emmer here. It's for free. You just have to watch a 90-minute video or even a 20-minute video. And then after you've realized that, after you've seen it, after you've explored it, when you are already inside, like on the other side, which is, in the business already, just do you, because you know your worth. You know why you are doing the things that you do. You know why you would have started this online business. And the how doesn't really matter, because what matters is the why you're doing this. And the beneficiaries of your hard work are not the other people, are not, if they're haters, it's not for them. It's for you and for your family. So if you decide that this is for you, then continue on. There is a lot of support around you. And this is, as I said on my page, it's a digital revolution. Hundreds of thousands of families and individuals and parents are doing this already. We are a group of 252, I think, thousand worldwide. This is a massive global online community.
Yes.
Not going anywhere. We've been here for like almost 9 years already. So of course this is legit. We're not going anywhere. It's very massive, and we're proud digital business owners, and we are here to share with you what we've discovered like a few months back, a few years back. And the reason why we're here, because we know that there's another way, and we want to inspire other people as well, because this is doable. And it's just really amazing to be part of an online business community that helps families like tremendously with regards to their financial growth and personal growth. So yun lang masasabi ko.
Wow, thank you so much, sis. So,
Mhm.
yes, you guys hear Sis Bettina, a hardworking mom. She's working full time, a proud mom of two, and of course, a wife, and is also balancing her life running this digital business. So, sis, it's inspiring. Thank you so much for being open and sharing your inspiring story tonight. And, God is really moving in your business through your stories. And
And through people like you too, sis. I'm very grateful that you've invited me here. And I've come to realize, even in the backstage, that when you asked me to pray before we went go live, I didn't know that I had those thoughts and gratitude in me. So
yeah.
actually, I was more emotional in the backstage rather than here. But you gave me that boost. You gave me that power, and I think we're giving each other that little bit more of energy so that we can
Yes.
we can finish this day.
Yeah, we give all the glory to God. He's the
Yes.
one giving us the strength and
Yes.
all those blessings. So to everyone who hears Sis Bettina's story, if it's her story resonates with you, to or any with us, reach out. Her website is on you can see it www.kianagroupdigital.com, or you can reach out on me on my website or send me a direct message, because we would love to help you learn and start your own business as well, because
Mhm.
this is an opportunity that we're sharing to everyone. And if there is, if you feel that little nudge or curiosity that you want to do this business, that don't ignore it, take it as a sign, because especially if you're praying for a way or another path to have that an extra income on top of your full-time job, that can be your plan B, that one day it could be that plan A once you surpass your income from your full-time job. So don't ignore it. Message us, reach out to any of us, and we will help you. We will be here to share with you how we started. And the first step that we're sharing with you all is what's that free webinar. So
Yes.
as that complimentary webinar, registered to any of our website here, registered with your name and email, and you will receive your personal link so you can watch that and join the live webinar. So have a great night, everyone, and God bless you all. Thank you again, Sis
Thank
Bettina.
you, Sis Summer, and have a good night as well. Okay, I
You
will see you
too.
in our chat tomorrow.
Yeah, and I know the kids are waiting. Thank you. God bless, sis, and your family.
Yes, ingat sis. Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Bye, everyone. God bless you all.